Here we have the 9th Street number 1 railroad crossing. Crossing is located in Rochelle, Illinois along the BNSF Aurora subdivision, milepost 83.56. So these signals are from 2008. They're US&S installs, but there's still some equipment that isn't very typical on BNSF. So for the first signal, this has a US&S base. Yeah, and this has a US&S Model 95 Style 2 gate mechanism. Here's the emergency information. Dot number is 069801M. For the lights, this has US&S 12x24" lights with Dialight Ball LEDs. And these are all sitting on a US&S light bracket. And this gate has the diagonal striping with 4 RECO LEDs. And there's also this pedestrian gate with a counterweight. And it has 1 singular RECO LED. Here's first pedestrian signal. This has another US&S base and another US&S Model 95 gate mechanism. No emergency information, but this gate looks like it also has diagonal striping with a singular RECO LED. And now we're gonna cross the road to look at the other installs. And these signals have separate bases. They do not have US&S bases unlike the other two. So this one has a Safetran base, and it has this has a US&S Model 95 first gen gate mechanism. Here's the emergency information again. And the lights here are 2 more pairs of US&S 12x24" lights with Dialight Ball LEDs in them. All sitting on another US&S bracket. And this gate also has the diagonal striping with 4 RECO LEDs. And another pedestrian gate with a counterweight and 1 singular RECO LED. And I forgot to mention, but both of these main signals have 2 Safetran Type 3 electronic bells, both set on low tone. Over there. Back view of the signal. Then this final pedestrian gate here this one has an L&W base, and it has another US&S Model 95 second gen gate mechanism. No emergency information here, but it also has a diagonal striping with a singular RECO LED gate light. There's a back view of that pedestrian gate. And here's the relay bungalow in the northwest quadrant. There's also antenna on it. And all the grades here are concrete. This is a track facing west towards Savannah, La Crosse, the Twin Cities, Fargo, North Dakota, and eventually the Pacific Northwest. And we got all of these signals are red, so there might be an eastbound or Union Pacific train coming. I'm not sure yet, I didn't bring my scanner. And that's the track facing east towards Waterman, Aurora, Hinsdale, and Chicago. So that is the 9th Street number 1 railroad crossing in Rochelle, Illinois.